going to learn about the distribution of continents and oceans. These are the three key points we are going to discuss. Number 1, introduction. Number 2, about the continents. And number 3, about oceans. We will discuss it one by one. The first thing, introduction. Our Earth is the third planet from the Sun, and it is called a unique planet in the whole solar system. In this globe, you can see there is most of the part is blue in color, and very few part is colorful, like pink, green, or yellow. Now, this blue color part is indicating the ocean and the seas portion of the world, and the other portions, the colorful portions, these are indicating the land masses. That means our Earth's surface have 29% is covered with land masses, while 71% is covered with the oceans and seas. You can see in this globe that most of the part is colored in blue. That means 71% is oceans in our world, in our Earth, and 29% these portions, coloring portions, indicating the land masses. Next one is about continents. Now, what is continents? Earth's continuous units of land masses are known as continents. You can see in this globe, it's a landmass, again it's coming to the landmass, again here is a landmass. It is a continuation of land masses. These are known as continents. About 29% or 1/3 portion of the Earth is covered with the continent, and about 2/3 portion of land masses are lies over in the northern hemisphere. You can see in this globe most of the countries lies over the northern hemisphere, and there is oceans. There is oceans in the southern hemisphere. Next, there are 7 continents on the Earth land masses. In order of size, they are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Now I am going to show you one by one. Now I am going to mark out all these continents in this map. This is North America. I am writing it in a short way. This one is South America. This is the another continent. This one is Africa. This one is Europe. Next, this one is our Asia. This little continent, this is the smallest continent of the world, it is Australia. And the last one, this was our Antarctica. So Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. These all are our 7 continents. Now this Asia and Europe jointly known as Eurasia. These 2 continents jointly known as Eurasia. Now, same as you can see, the North America and the South America, both continents are separated by a canal. This is the canal. It's named as Panama Canal. Panama Canal separates North America from South America. Same as Asia and Africa is separated by, this is another canal. This is the canal. I am identifying it through a circle. This is known as Suez Canal. Suez Canal. This canal is separated Asia from Africa, and this canal name is Suez Canal. And Antarctica lies around the South Pole, and it is permanently covered with the thick ice sheets. All over the year, Antarctica always covered with the thick ice sheets. Now I am going to show you all the continents in this globe. This is North America, this is South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and the last one, this is Antarctica. These are all 7 continents of our Earth. 5 oceans of our Earth: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. These oceans are according to the size. Now I am going to mark it on this map. firstly, Pacific Ocean. Here is the Pacific Ocean. Here is also Pacific Ocean because our earth is spherical shape. I am going to show you in the globe also. And next one is Atlantic. Now Atlantic Ocean, this is our Atlantic Ocean. This is Indian Ocean. And Arctic Ocean is over the North Pole. Here is the Arctic Ocean. And the last one, Southern Ocean, it is here. It's the Southern Ocean. So these are the main 5 oceans of our earth. Now I am going to show you in the globe also. You can see in this globe it is the Pacific Ocean. Here is in the North Pole, it is the Arctic Ocean. Next one, I am showing you Atlantic Ocean. Next, this is our Indian Ocean. And the last one, here is the Southern Ocean. These are our 5 main oceans of our earth. Now, in this map, you can see which one is the largest continent and the smallest continent. In this map, you can see Asia. Asia is the largest continent of the world. Next, which one is the smallest continent? Australia. Australia is our world's smallest continent. And which one is the largest ocean? Largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. From here to go, it's round over there. Because our earth is in a spherical shape. Already I am showing you in the globe. So Pacific Ocean is the largest. And the smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. So these are the basic concepts about the distribution of the land and the ocean. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon, like, comment and share it. Thank you.